Hi guys and salam. This is Maimuna from mayade.co, where I teach you how to own your modest style through DIY fashion. In today's video, I'm just going to be styling a few of my handmade shirt dresses, maxi shirt dresses that I have made. The first one is the one that I have made recently. It is this denim maxi dress that I made over the summer. I will insert a picture up below showing you how I styled it back then. I just thought I'll style it for the fall winter so I can get some use out of my shirt dresses, and I am just pairing it with this jumper, cream jumper that I got from H&M, and my burgundy Zara booties. I really love this maxi dress. I think it's so versatile. Can literally wear so many things in my wardrobe. Okay, the next one I have is this linen shirt dress that I made, I believe 2 years ago. It's a high-low shirt dress, so it's longer at the back and shorter at the front. I've just paired it again with my Zara booties and some jeans that I got from Walmart. I also thought it would look really nice with this leather jacket that I got from Mango a few years back. I love the contrast in fabric and color, and it'll just keep me warm during the fall months. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Those are the two maxi dresses that I thought I'll style for you and just give you some ideas on how to style maxi dresses during the fall winter months. Please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of these videos. Leave a comment down below which one you liked best, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.